Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will practice 10 moderate spoken English sentence along with their meaning in Odia. This sentence will help you build confidence and improve your communication skill. So let's get started. Could you please repeat that? ଦୟାକରି ସେତିକି ପୁନଃ କହିପାରିବେ କି? Use this when you need someone to repeat what they said. Okay, next. I need some time to think about it. ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୋତେ କିଛି ସମୟ ଦରକାର. Use this when you are making a decision and need time. Okay, next. Do you know where I can find a taxi? ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି ମୁଁ କେଉଁଠି ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସି ପାଇବି? Use this when you are looking for a taxi. If you understand this lesson, please press a like button and share with your friends. If you don't understand, please do a comment in the comment section. I will explain you. Okay, next. What do you think about this idea? ଏହି ଧାରଣା ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ ମତ କ'ଣ? Use this to ask for someone's opinion. Okay, next. I am not sure if I can do this. ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ନୁହେଁ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଏହା କରିପାରିବି. Use this to express doubt about your ability. Okay, next. Let me know if you need any help. ତୁମକୁ କିଛି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଦରକାର ହେଲେ ମୋତେ ଜଣାଇ ଦିଅ. Use this when you offering help to someone. Next. It's been a long time since we last met. ଆମେ ଶେଷ ଥରେ ମିଶିଥିବାରୁ ଏହା ବହୁତ ଦିନ ହେଲା. Use this to start a conversation with someone you have not seen in a while. Okay, next. Could you tell me how to get to the railway station? ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ ରେଳ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କିପରି ପହଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ ହେବ ସେତିକି କହିପାରିବେ କି? Use this when asking for direction. Okay, next. I did not expect it to be so difficult. ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ଏତେ କଷ୍ଟକର ହେବ ବୋଲି ଭାବି ନଥିଲି. Use this to express surprise about a challenge. Next. I will try my best to complete it on time. ମୁଁ ସମୟରେ ଏହାକୁ ସମାପ୍ତ କରିବାକୁ ମୋର ସର୍ବୋତ୍ତମ ପ୍ରୟାସ କରିବି. Use this when promising to do your best. Thank you friends. These were moderate spoken English sentence with their meaning in Odia. Practice this regular to improve your fluency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.